Hello everybody, Mike here at Wilton Automotive Tire Center. One thing I want to talk to you about right now is differential and or driveline service, okay? Your service professional may offer to have those fluids exchanged and replaced, okay? Why would you do that, right? The hard part for you as a consumer is, well, geez, I didn't feel anything wrong. There's nothing wrong. Why would I need to change that? Well, again, it's called preventative maintenance, right? You change your engine oil. Why? Because there's contaminants in there, the oil gets degraded, and then it doesn't do its job is to protect the vital engine components, okay? It's the same stuff in differentials, transfer cases, and rear differentials, okay? So the big difference is they don't need to be done near as often because in the engine, we have combustion gases, right? Gasoline we're burning. That gas gets past the cylinder rings, the piston rings, and dilutes the engine oil. So that's why the oil turns black quickly, because it's carrying those gases around and then it becomes diluted. That's also why you don't want to leave it in there for 10 or 15,000 miles, okay? So you have to do that a lot more often. Now, in a differential or a transfer case, there is wear going on, okay? We have another video, we're going to put a little link to it that I did a while back when I pulled the drain plug out, and a lot of the drain plugs are magnetic, and you can see all this, I call it hair, right? It's magnet, it's metal, it's just metal that's floating around in suspension in that oil, which is then getting in between the gears, right? You want oil between the gears. You don't want metal and oil in between the gears. So that's why you want to get that stuff out of there. And quite frankly, you should do the first diff service earlier than most people actually recommend, because the break-in period is when you're going to get the most wear and tear in metal. Same thing for engines, right? So way back when I started fixing cars, you had a brand new car where you just put an engine in a car, and 500 to 1,000 miles was the norm to say, get your oil changed. Why? One, you want to check and make sure nothing's leaking from the new job, the new car, whatever it might be, but also because all the wear is taking place. You have all new parts that are finding their place to work together. You want to get them out of there, okay? We recommend the differential services mostly at 30,000 mile intervals, okay? So watch the other video, it's pretty cool. It shows you, it'll explain, and you'll see with your own eyes what I'm talking about, okay? So thanks again for watching. Please leave comments, questions, concerns, any suggestions that you might have. We love to communicate with you guys and give you as much info as we can.